What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's new video on how to buy the BADGER DAO token on Coinbase. For the first step, we will need to have a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up for free in the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. For the next step, we will need to log into our account, and once you have done that, you will arrive at the homepage of Coinbase. And now we will click on the search bar right on top and just type in BADGER. And there you will see the BADGER DAO token. We will click on that and now you will arrive at the token page. And as you can see, there are coming up some quite good price movements, so definitely take advantage of that. And once you have decided how much you want to spend on this coin, just type it in over here in the field. And after that, you'll see we are receiving a amount of 313 tokens for this amount of money. Now you can select the payment method over here. I will leave it on my credit card, but if you would like to use another one, just select it or add a new payment method over here. Now click on review order, and now I will give you guys a very useful tip. If you want to save yourself a lot of money on transaction fees, and transaction fee is basically a fee you are paying to the broker, so the Coinbase platform, once you are making a trade. And for this trade, the transaction fee is 38 euros, so that is a lot. And if you want to save yourself this amount of fees, then you can use the Coinbase One subscription. It is basically for free for 7 days. So definitely try it out and you will save the transaction fee for every order you make on Coinbase. So that is very useful, saves a lot of money. And once you have decided to buy this coin, then you can click on buy now and the tokens will be automatically added here to the left side at my assets. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next video. Cheers, guys!